Hi everyone, I'm Miranda. Today I'm going on vacation and I'm really excited. I'm flying to Cancun for the first time and I've been looking forward to this trip for months. I love traveling, but airports always make me a little nervous and a little excited at the same time. There are so many steps: check-in, security, boarding, and the flight itself. In this story, you'll hear the real English people use at the airport and on the plane. Okay, let's get going. My vacation is about to begin. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more easy and practical English. This morning, I finished packing my suitcase early and double-checked everything: my passport, my boarding pass, and all the little things I might need. After that, I took a taxi to the airport. The city was still quiet, and I could feel the excitement growing as I got closer. When I finally arrived at the airport and walked inside, everything felt busy and alive. That's when my vacation really started. Daily conversations.
Good morning. May I see your ID, please?
Yes, here you are.
Oh, you are going to Cancun. Do you have any checked luggage?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale. It's within the weight limit.
Great, thank you.
Here is your boarding pass, gate 18. Boarding starts at 8:45.
Thank you very much.
Please place your bag on the belt. Laptops and large electronics out of the bag and in a separate bin.
Do I need to take off my shoes?
Yes, please. And remove any metal items.
Okay, you may walk through now.
Great, thank you. Step inside, feet on the yellow footprints. Do you have anything left in your pockets? Keys, tissues, chapstick? You're all set. Step out to the right.
Passengers flying to Cancun, please proceed to Gate 23.
Passengers in Zone 2 may board now. May I see your boarding pass, please? Here you go. Please go ahead. Have a safe flight.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure.
Your seat is 14A, by the window.
Perfect. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please place your carry-on luggage in the overhead bins or completely under the seat in front of you. Make sure all aisles are clear and larger electronic devices are properly stowed. Please take your seats and fasten your seatbelts. Make sure your seat back and tray table are in the upright and locked position. If you need assistance, please let us know. We will be taking off shortly. Thank you for your cooperation.
Would you like something to drink?
Coffee, please.
Would you like cream or sugar?
Just cream, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like something to eat? Yes, please. What are the options? We have chicken or pasta. I'll have the chicken, please. Would you like fruits or vegetables on the side? Fruits, please. Here you go. Thank you.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Welcome to Cancun. Have a nice vacation.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Must-know phrases. At check-in. I'm checking in for my flight to Cancun. I'd like to check this bag. Is my carry-on within the size limit? Could you confirm my seat assignment? What time does boarding begin? At the gate. Boarding. Which boarding group am I in? Has boarding started yet? Is this flight boarding on time? How long will the flight be delayed? On the plane. Could you help me find my seat? Is there space in the overhead bin? Could I get a blanket, please? When will in-flight service begin? During the flight. Can I have another drink, please? Do you accept credit cards for purchases? Do we need to complete an arrival form? Arrival. Which carousel will baggage claim be at? Where is passport control? That's the end of today's Airport and Travel English episode. Try using these phrases out loud and imagine yourself at the airport or on the plane. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. The next time you travel, you'll know exactly what to say and what to listen for. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more easy and practical English.